Hello, good morning everybody. Today is a beautiful day. We're having heavy rainfalls, guys. As I told you last time about the El Nino, it's right here with us. So first of all, I just want to welcome everybody to the channel. My name is Adventure Sagas. For those returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, we are having rainfalls. For those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe and support my channel. So guys, let me take you along and show you how the rains are raining havoc here in Kenya, East Africa. Let's get along, guys, and see. Welcome back, guys. We're having heavy rainfalls here. I'm geared up for the day with an umbrella, gumboot. I just want to bring you this rainy day and show you how people are surviving on such a rainy occasion. Guys, as you can see, let's get along and see. It's a bit muddy. It's raining heavily. Some people have umbrellas, others are having raincoats. We're having heavy rainfalls here, guys. So welcome back again, guys. As you can see, I have a really good umbrella. So the rains are raining havoc here. So to be precise, it has been raining since yesterday late in the evening. Right now as we're talking, it's 7:30 a.m. early in the morning, and we still have the rainfalls, guys. So people are going to work, and here we're using all different of means, guys. So as they walk to the bus stop, guys, then you see they're using umbrellas, gumboots, all sorts of rain attires, guys. So let's get along, guys, as we see it. You can see all the drainage are full. And the highway is right there. Very heavy rains here in Africa, Kenya, East Africa. Be thankful for the rains. The farmers are celebrating. We'll have a bumper harvest in some few months. Others are using polybags. It's an early morning rush here. Everybody is rushing to beat up the rain. So it's actually very cold and everybody is geared up well. This is Kenya, East Africa. Subscribe to the channel's Adventure Sagas so that we can move forward together. It's a small challenge here. Wow, right now I'm entering the ramp. This is a bypass bridge. The rains are raining havoc. So as you can see guys, heavy rains are raining. Subscribe to the channel Adventure Sagas. Let's support the channel. Turning my umbrella on. So guys, you can see clearly how the rain is heavy. It's raining havoc here. As you can see, this is Kenya, East Africa. On the eastern part, East Africa part of Africa. So guys, we're having very heavy rainfalls. This is actually good for the environment. And you remember recently we had a holiday, we planted thousands of trees. We were expecting to grow most of the sufficient rainfalls. This was a really good move by the government to do afforestation. As you realize, the importance of trees are so many. So this was an excavator doing the road works, fixing the drainage system, but the rains have caught us. So on the other side, as you can see, is the expressway. That's a toll station. It's one of the recently built highway from the airport to the central town, capital city Nairobi. Just see guys, water is flowing really. Heavy rainfalls guys, very heavy rainfalls. But on the other side, I'm super happy because I love rainfalls. I love nature. I know nature is going to thrive because the recipe for thriving is rains, sufficient rainfalls. The drainage again, unfinished drainage. This is a footpath for pedestrians. It's looking clean and good. I really want to give you a special appeal to subscribe to my channel Support me, let us grow the community together. Lend me your hand, hit the subscription button so that this channel can grow, guys. Subscribe to the channel Adventure Sagas so that we can grow together. I really need to grow this community. So guys, I count on you to support me. Without you guys, I'll be so weak. So you give me strength, guys. Kindly, I'm begging you, give me strength. Subscribe to my channel Adventure Sagas. We need to move forward, guys, so that we grow this channel, guys. Right here, as you can see, I'm shooting this video on a rainy day. I want to show you about the El Nino. I remember last time I made a video about the El Nino. Since the El Ninos have come, guys, I really want to show you that we have the predictions was right. We have the rains, and right in front of me, as you can see, the vegetation is thriving, guys. Let me show you guys. Alongside, guys, you can see the vegetation is thriving well. We have sufficient rainfalls. I remember last time I was walking alongside here, the grasses were dry, the trees were wilting. Now, as you can see, guys, just see it for yourself. Water, water, water everywhere. Water everywhere. The vegetation is coming up, so in a good way. So let's get along, guys. You can see the drainage, guys. Actually, the highest rainfall here is between 1800 degrees millimeter. So just see the drainage are full, it's overflowing. Right beside there is the highway, Mombasa-Malaba highway. You can see trucks that are delivering goods from the port of Mombasa for transit headed to Uganda. This highway is serving the other side of the country, the landlocked countries, the Uganda, we have Congo, we have Brazil, we have Congo Brazzaville, I mean, not Brazil. So despite the heavy rains, the traffic is still flowing so well, and the goods are being delivered to the country of destination. Despite the heavy rainfalls, people are moving with umbrellas. They are geared up with gumboots. The purpose of this video, guys, is to show you how the rainfalls are raining havoc. In some other parts of the country, incidences have been reported. We have people that have been carried away by the floods. On the other side of the Mombasa Tana River, recently, 2 government officers were carried away by the rainfalls and they are reported dead. Their bodies have been recovered. So in almost every part of the country, and especially the lower side of the country. That's where we have the rainfalls, and they are raining havoc. So we are at the upper side, and the floods are minimal. All the water are flowing to the plains, and that is where the problem is. Those ones who have refused to go away go to the upper side so that they are not carried by the flood are in trouble now. My umbrella is really vibrating so high. I have to hold it so tight. The speed of the wind is so high because of the trucks that are moving beside me. Just look at it, guys. The recently built drainage is really helping. As you can see, water is flowing so smoothly. I wish every part of the drainage could have been done this way. Heavy rains, guys, reported in Kenya, East Africa. Almost all parts of Africa are experiencing heavy rainfalls. Recently I saw Dubai expecting heavy rainfalls, Tanzania heavy rainfalls reported, Uganda, Congo. Let's get ahead, guys. It's my good friend. You're called who? Anal Kiblagat. Do you know about the El Nino rains? Huh? Do you know El Nino rains?
Yeah.
What is it? El Nino. What is El Nino?
I don't know.
You don't know? El Nino are heavy rainfalls above the normal limit that we are currently experiencing in Kenya, East Africa. As you can see, today is raining heavily, and this is what El Nino is all about. Is it okay?
Yes.
You now understand what El Nino is?
Yes.
So you are in grade what?
I'm in grade 7 now.
Grade 7?
Yes.
What do you mean about grade 7? Standard 7?
Not standard 7.
Yes.
We are in CBC, so...
CBC?
Yes.
Yes.
So we call grade 7.
You call it grade 7?
Yes.
What do you learn in grade 7?
We have not learned... I was doing KEPSA.
You doing KEPSA?
Yeah.
What is KEPSA?
KEPSA Kenya.
Yeah.
Primary School Education Assessment.
All right, Kenya Primary School Educational Assessment.
Yeah.
And I understand the results are coming out this week, eh?
Yes.
So what do we expect from you?
Yes.
Excellent performance.
Yes.
Very, very excellent. You expect to meet expectation, exceed expectation,
Yes.
below expectation. Which one?
Exceed expectation.
Exceed expectation. Can you tell me briefly someone who have exceeded expectation? How is it, that person? If you are said to have exceeded expectation, what kinds of grades are those?
Grades.
Yes.
All grades bad.
Yes.
We have been, let's say you are in grade 6.
Yes.
And you are doing exam.
And you're doing exam, eh?
So if you pass,
yes,
1,900, 880 and above.
And above, eh?
You have get exceed expectation.
Oh, so it is said you have exceeded expectation.
Yeah.
Somebody who has not exceeded expectation, can you tell us?
Is that who has not passed?
Someone who has not passed?
Yes.
The marks are below?
Are below 500.
Below 500.
Even no 500, 600.
600, eh?
Yes.
So for you, you've been scoring, what are your average marks you've been scoring on your on your performances?
600 or 700.
600 and 700. That is basically meaning exceeding expectation.
Yes.
Ah, you're a good boy, eh?
Yeah.
And you are telling me you want to be circumcised.
Yeah.
You want to be a moran.
Yes.
You want to be a young man.
Yes.
Yeah. So when is that going to be?
Next year.
Next year.
Yes.
You don't fear that?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I understand that there are some wild animals, they can catch you and eat you
No.
while you are doing that. You don't fear that?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic. Let me wait for it. I hope you're going to invite me for that very, very, very special occasion.
Yes.
It is called circumcision. Young boys, before they mature and they enter the adulthood stage, they undergo circumcision ceremony just to initiate them into the manhood. Yes. So this young man was graduating class 6 CBC KEPSA. So we expect him to undergo the process very soon, and hope I'll be there to experience it and give him a thumbs up. Yeah? Thank you very much. Catch up. This is Adventures, I guess. Let's subscribe to the channel and move forward together. Welcome back again, guys. So the rains have stopped. Thank you for coming along and walking along me to experience this rainy day, rainy season. For those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to Adventures, I guess, so that we can support each other. Thanks for walking along with me and experiencing this rainy day in Kenya, East Africa. Catch up another day.